In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact way to use ChatGPT from our Apple Watch. So in App Store on our Apple Watch, here is no option to install the ChatGPT. So all you have to need to use ChatGPT, go to your iPhone and open the Message app, open a conversation, and in conversation you have to send the ChatGPT link. You can just type chatgpt.com and send the link. Now go to your Apple Watch, go to your app library. In app library, open the Message app and go to the same conversation, and here you'll find the chatgpt.com. Just tap on that and you directly jump into ChatGPT website on your Apple Watch. As you can see, now just scroll down and tap on Ask Anything, tap on Enter Text, Tell me a joke. That's how you can write anything in ChatGPT prompt box. Now just tap on Send, and here you can see ChatGPT is now generating my answer. Now you can scroll down just like this. You can zoom in the ChatGPT app, and here we can see the ChatGPT answer. So it's quite difficult to use ChatGPT from our Apple Watch, but you can follow these steps to easily use the ChatGPT on your Apple Watch. Now on, whenever you want to use ChatGPT, just open the chatgpt.com link from the Message app, and that's it for now.